Welcome to Happy Kids Teacher. Hello kids, let's see the words. Zebra, Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Zoo, Z-O-O, zoo. Zipper, Z-I-P-P-E-R, zipper. Zero, Z-E-R-O, zero. Zombie, Z-O-M-B-I, zombie. Zucchini, Z-U-C-C-H-I-N-I, zucchini. Zany, Z-A-N-Y, zany. Zookeeper, Z-O-O-K-E-E-P-E-R, zookeeper. Zigzagging, Z-I-G-Z-A-G-G-I-N-G, zigzagging. Zen, Z-E-N, zen. Zither, Z-I-T-H-E-R, zither. Zircon, Z-I-R-C-O-N, Zircon. Zebu, Z-E-B-U, Zebu. Zipline, Z-I-P-L-I-N-E, Zipline. Zinia, Z-I-N-I-A, Zinia. Zeppelin, Z-E-P-P-E-L-I-N, Zeppelin. Zoom, Z-O-O-M, zoom. Zap, Z-A-P, zap. Zeus, Z-E-U-S, Zeus. Zone, Z-O-N-E, zone. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.